Here's how to improve your SEO on Offerup. So with that, here's some tips to not only improve your SEO, but also just to make more sales. So first off, you got keyword optimization. You want to use relevant keywords in your listings and titles and descriptions. So think about words or phrases potential buyers might use when searching for your item. So include relevant brand names, model numbers, sizes, colors, and other relevant descriptors. ChatGPT works great for this as finding relevant keywords goes. Next, you want to use high quality photos. So use clear, well-lit photos that accurately represent your item. So good quality images are going to attract buyers and help you make more sales. Now, in regards to detailed descriptions, you want to write detailed and informative descriptions for your listing. So provide details about the item's conditions, specifications, dimensions, or any other relevant information that buyers might want to know. In addition, you want to complete your profile just because having a complete profile is going to help build you trust. And although this isn't tied directly to SEO, it is going to help you make more sales. Next, you want to price competitively. So look at similar items on OfferUp and price competitively. So price your items appropriately so that you can attract more buyers and make more sales. Next, you want to promote positive feedback. So basically encouraging customers to leave positive feedback and reviews on your profile is going to make you more sales as well. So with that, positive feedback is just going to boost your rankings when it comes to making sales. Next, you want to stay active. So making sure that you're regularly active on Upwork is going to help you have your listings acquire more views. I've verified this with support, and just making sure that you have an active account on Offerup is going to help you out in the long term and making sure that your listings get seen. Next, Offerup has a variety of different features like promotions, bundle discounts, and verified badges. These features helped attract buyers to your listings, making it be seen more. So again, basically by improving all these strategies, you can improve your SEO on Offerup, but it's a cultivation of a few things that can ultimately help you make more sales on Offerup. Hopefully this video was helpful. Let me know down below in the comments.